Fun times. Okay. My new Tesla Semi is here. Box. There's a little bit of a nothing to worry about. It's good. Let's have a look. Very excited. Don't want to cut through the too much. Okay, oh yeah. Nice. Light. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Don't need this one anymore. So, nice paper. It's almost like I don't want to open it. Just keeping like this forever. I've seen these pictures already. 124, so it's quite big. Not when you're bigger than the rest. I'm not sure. Okay, so where's the way in? So I'll do both of these. 1, 2. Does it slide? Yeah. Slide. Okay, have I got it upside down or not? We don't know. Let's have a look. No, there she is. Got the certificate of authenticity. It's a real one. That's something. And here she is. Beautiful little Tesla. This for a second. Oi, 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 oi. It's nice. Hard when you turn that. Yeah, when you turn the wheels, the steering wheel goes. That's nice. It's the first generation one, so not the longer window, of course. Comes it on the card. What's this? It's nice with the details. I think the doors open too somehow. How do you get those to open? Very carefully with the mouse. There we go. It's probably a bit dark, but there's inside. I think both doors open. Yeah, there we go. Nearly dropped it there. That would be a disaster. A little bit of Tesla standard fit and finish issues, but pretty good actually. Yeah, I'm happy. I like it. I can't really put it down so you can see. Nice one, Elon. Yeah. Tesla semi.